Yeah.
No more COVID for us. First time I've ever gotten in 2 years of stuff's been out, and I beat it in like 3 days. But we are doing a water pump, timing belt, tensioners, and gaskets on Mr. Redliner Autos, R33, aka Mr. Frank. I love this car. I love how clean it is. I love working on it. So he's back. We're doing this for, I think he said in March?
Yeah, March.
March, we're doing a single turbo, well, bigger turbo, I should say. I keep saying single turbo swap, but top mount conversion and more than likely an ISR billet manifold. So he's actually doing the right steps to this motor, which is maintenance. Because a lot of people tend to forget that this is a 30-year-old motor and they're tired and old. And instead of, you know, like a lot of people out there that just get these things, slap big turbos on it and just go beat the shit out of them and blow them up and then complain about it and make YouTube videos about it. Frank's taking the right steps, like a lot of people we deal with, which is doing timing belts, water pumps, oil pumps, because the internals are fine. They hold 500-600, no problem, but it's all this stuff. You can see it's old, it's corroded, it's dried up, it's old. So,
And it still looks good
Yeah,
regardless,
no,
but
I mean,
it needs to be changed.
even
And you went with
got-
all OEM stuff, so.
I mean, obviously, if you're not going for crazy power, everybody and a lot of people recommend OEM timing belts. There's a reason they've lasted 30 years. OEM tensioners and idler pulleys.
Spring.
So the spring itself, we're going to be doing plugs as well.
Water pump.
Yeah.
Water pump.
Pumps right there. Shout out to ISR. But yeah, so that's kind of the one thing I tell everybody that I mean, I get messages every single day. Hey, I'm about to pick this up, about to do that. What should I do? Right here. You're
Yeah.
gonna get one. If you know how to do it, all the power to you, great. But if you're gonna get a Skyline or anything RB, JZ, SR, whatever that's old, right here. Because then you're gonna regret in the long run. Because I've personally dealt with it. I threw a big turbo on my car. Granted, I had a clear timing cover. My belt looked fine. Well, turns out it wasn't. My timing belt snapped and I blew up the head. Bent all the valves, backfired, and I shattered and cracked the head port about this much. So, but yeah, this is pretty much ready to go.
Good.
I just gotta put the water pump on it now, but I gotta get a mallet.
Yeah, so like as you said, you know, it's been a while again since the video, but this time we had the COVID excuse, unfortunately, but everybody's beating it. The whole team's back, so we're back in business.
Yes.
But yeah, we'll be posting the work here and some updates so we can show you how everything looks. Anything else you want to add right now?
My car's single turbo.
Oh yeah, you got a single turbo
Yeah.
now. Well, that'll be another story.
Oh, I didn't document that at all because I did
Yeah.
that during COVID when I did that all at my house, which don't ever do that at your house unless you have access to a shop. But yeah, the car is now single turbo, base painted. I gutted everything. We're supposed to be going to the dyno tomorrow with it, and I kind of don't want to.
Yeah.
But not that I don't trust the motor. I feel like I need a little more time to go over the car, even though I've been driving it and it feels fine. But the only thing I wish I saved up for to get was a standalone. But then again, I'm only trying to make 400 horsepower, and I don't need a standalone for that. So
Nothing Mr. Martin can't do from RSN LP. He'll just do a ROM tune, one of his well-known ROM tunes. You know,
I tell
click,
everybody that
you're done.
the 3 clicks and done.
Yeah.
As he does all the time.
3 click and done tune. But anyway, all right. Well, let's get to work and see how this is going to turn out.
Hi. Hello. Welcome back an hour later. Actually, about an hour and a half. We're done.
Yeah, pretty much.
Tensioners are on, water pump's on, timing belt's on. I'm literally just tightening the lower timing cover. And then I put the crank pulley on. Button it all up and then bleed it. And essentially that should be it. I know we're just doing after that plugs we said. And then what else?
The windshield wiper
The
motor.
wiper motor. Oh yeah, wiper motor.
And we're installing a
Apex seat boost
Boost gauge.
gauge.
And that should be it for now. I can't wait to see this car with the, you know, with the top mount, and also have, of course, the nice intake manifold.
Yeah,
It's because it's such a clean car. This is really a very nice car. And as we said earlier, the owner's a really cool guy too. By the way, there's the owner. If you guys want to follow him, at @redline_R33.
He's got a couple other cool toys too.
Yeah, he's got some other toys too. Very, very clean car. You gotta love. Oh man, look at that hat. What a guy. What a guy.
Oh wait, show him the license plate too.
License plate?
Yeah.
What do we got? Oh yeah, RV Power Garage. Anybody want any of these, let us know. They're available.
Yep.
Sweet. So yeah, just buttoning it all up now. We you know,
yeah,
I think everything is
it's ready to go.
freshened up, so that's good. Very important, you guys, as we said earlier, very important to get this kind of stuff freshened up. He's actually getting he's got a clear timing cover that we're putting on it too, so that'll be good. A lot of people wonder why people put the clear timing covers on. Interesting story. If you guys follow us, I'm sure you've seen a video about a year or so ago with my GTR. If I didn't have a clear timing cover,
Bye-bye motor.
I would have had about 30-40 grand wasted down the drain. So having a clear timing cover, I mean, the benefit, I mean, some people think it's just for show. It's not. Yeah, great, it looks good and all.
Oh yeah.
But it serves a purpose, man. You keep track. You can see if the belt's worn, if the belt's got cracks, if the belt's got a tear. It's like, it's so important to do that, especially with these RBs. So
Well, any motor that's got a timing belt, like, granted, I know these are interference, like, and I know the JZs. JZs are not interference, correct?
no, they are.
They are? They are as well?
It kind of depends. If you shave the block, then most of the time it becomes interference.
Okay. I wanted to confirm that so I don't make a mistake. I mean, I know RBs are interference, but point is, they got timing belts too. So anything with a belt, and just in general, like, if I could have a clear timing chain cover for an SR, I would have it. I mean, it's, all it takes is, let's say, the cam cover bolt right here breaks or strips out and you don't realize it and the bolt falls in. Guess what? You might actually get lucky, like I did with my wide body car. I had a bolt on my cover rattle loose and it fell in there. Thank God I caught it in time, grabbed the magnet, pulled it out. I saved my motors. So I mean, that's kind of what happened with this GTR.
Yeah. But we'll button it up. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Not huge changes, but still, it'll look nice and cleaner in the front anyway.
Yeah, a lot of times if you take the head, sometimes, most of the time it'll become an interference.
Okay,
But
that's
I mean,
what I want to
that's for
confirm.
you cams and all the other crazy,
Crazy stuff.
Most of the time it's not.
Got it.
Kind of loves being in front of the camera, as you guys can tell. So another S13 just got dropped off. Never a dull moment, of course. We're going to be taking a look at this in just a minute. The owner's there. Mr. AAA is about to leave. What do you think
Up.
of the car outside?
Oh, good old S13.
Yeah.
Coupe. The one S
Oh,
chassis
coupe.
I've not owned yet.
Okay.
S13 black top.
Okay.
It's got a cage, which is cool.
Yeah, we'll go through this.
I'm gonna take this off.
We'll see what's up with it. Well, what if it needs to? Well, no, it's going to come inside anyway, so. See you, man. Thank you. Yeah, so this will be part of the vlog.
Probably stock turbo ECU, but I know it's not mounted. I had to get the panel so it wouldn't stop flopping around and everything. So,
Curious because it's got no map, so I think it might have a standalone.
well, if it does, that'd be a surprise to me.
Yeah, because the map's in here.
No, it's stock.
It's stuck.
Where the hell's the map?
It's on that charge truck, really.
Oh, it's down here. It's like
Yeah.
what we
That's
did
one of those pipes, the
with
charge
my old
pipe.
setup, like Martin did.
Okay.
Ah, interesting.
So, yeah, man. If you guys would be able to source a harness, honestly, that would be amazing because I'm sick of electrical problems with this shit.
It might not even be a harness, bro.
Well,
No, yeah, bro, but I mean, like, this shit, like,
Oh, stuff like
open
that.
wires, open
Yeah,
connectors
yeah.
and shit. Like, I can't even, like, give her a wash and make it look pretty or anything like that and make myself feel a little bit better about it. So I see. I've noticed some chafing down here on the harness, close down there to
Yeah.
the open loom right here. It's going
And then
all
your
over.
best thing would be is buying wiring special.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. One of those dry wire or wiring specialties.
Yeah, wiring specialties. Like we just got a harness.
All right, day has wound down. That's right, keep cleaning. Hey, a clean shop is a good shop.
Always. Also, new merch.
Stage Wheels, shout out. Oh yeah, loving it. Wait till you guys see this. Ready?
That's sick. I'm hyped.
Ta-da! Nice.
That banner's
Loving
super
the
cool.
new logo, Bill.
Definitely cool.
Loving the new logo,
And it
Stage
came with
Wheels.
the same flag, but as well as stickers. So they have it in the sticker version now.
Sweet.
And then
So we're all done with this, right?
yeah, I finished it technically yesterday, which is pretty awesome. But timing belt, water pump, tensioners, new clear cover, the Zachary Corp one. Cleaned up a couple vacuum leaks here and there. We're not gonna go too crazy because, as we said before, he's going top mount and then the ISR billet manifold. So this is just a preventive maintenance stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, this car's awesome, super clean. And then we haven't shown anybody a single turbo.
Oh yeah, the single turbo we were talking about.
So yeah, I'm sure. Well, for those that don't know, I never showed my engine bay for a reason because it looked like ass. So we did. Okay, I'm not in a bragging way, but I did everything you see at my house. Pulled apart the entire motor. There was literally nothing but a long block. Ripped everything out. And then the next thing I'm doing is the ABS delete, new brake lines, finish painting that area. And then ultimately is standalone. I want to get rid of the MAFs and get rid of all the external sensors and all that and have it all run into the ECU. But right now we're just figuring out the wastegate lines. And then yeah, and now we're gonna find a different track day because ours got canceled again, unfortunately. But we're gonna figure it out. Once I get a dyno the next few days, goal is 4 and change, and then take like the 7 cars we have here to the dyno because that's got to go.
Who
to
else's
the dyno.
car is running?
Roni's car's done, running.
Uh-oh.
Couple small tweaks.
Uh-oh.
He's the same boat. The car runs and drives, but in order to really get on it, it's got to get a tune because he has a stock ECU.
He's in it. Let's have everybody hear it.
I don't. Hey Kyle, where do we put Roni's key? This is done. Literally, this car, that car, my car, Eli's car, and then one of them inside. They all gotta get tuned. So, Martin, if you're watching this, tune please.
Look at his face. Wait, look at his face again. Sweet. Sounds good. Sounds real good.
We were messing with the timing a little bit, but we noticed one of the secondary caps. I don't know what they're called on these motors, but it's like a little kind of cam angle sensor. It was cracked, so we think that's what's causing the weird throttle issue. Because driving in normal, it's fine, but when you try to like mash on it, it kind of chokes up.
Yeah.
But we're gonna wait because Martin was explaining that these, like the second gen ECUs, are not tunable. So it's like an RB25 ECU, you can't tune it. So we gotta find a 90 or 92. So if you got a VH45 ECU from either a 90 or 92 Q45,
Hit us up.
because we need it.
We need one,
That's
guys.
all that's left on this car, and then I can paint it. And it's
Hit
done.
us up. We need it. This man's got to get that car on the road. He's
Yes.
been waiting patiently.
This is done too. Another customer
Yeah.
car, SR black
Another
top.
coupe. All right, well, we're wrapping up for today and for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it's been a busy week with everything. Our office should finally, the inside of the office is done. It should be
Looks
done
like
tomorrow.
crap, but you can
Looks like
still
crap,
see
but at the end of the day, we know what it needs. I mean, electricity's put in.
The walls done.
The walls are all done, so we're gonna do all the putty and all the other crap for right now, just so we can have it ready. We should be actually the next video. This office should be done, at least the inside of it.
Luckily,
But
it's not hot.
cool. So, yep, over and
that's
out.
running now too.
Yeah.
Mention that.
Over and out for right now. Thank you guys. Next video will be coming up soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And hit that like button. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And thank you for everybody's support. RB Power.